Android device vibrate for no reason. Hello everyone, I'm here to provide you the guidelines why your Android device vibrate for no reason. So if your Android device vibrates for no reason, then you have to follow this step. So if you get any of the notifications on, then your Android device will vibrate. But if you are not getting any notification, but your Android device still vibrates, you have to go to your setting icon of your mobile device and you have to scroll down, go for the sound and vibration here. Once you are on your sound and vibration, you have to scroll down and you have to go for the additional setting here. So on your search bar, you have to go for the notification vibration here. Once you are here, you have to go for your notification vibration and you have to toggle it off. So if you toggle it on, then your Android device vibrates for no reason. So you have to toggle it off. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily solve your problem that your Android device vibrates for no reason. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.